Hello children, I'm here to help you to answer the questions of the second language English model question paper of 8th standard. Let's start. You could find this front sheet of your question paper here, right? You need to fill the information about you, whatever is given there, name of the student, student SAS number, signature of the students, only that's it. Okay, then the rest all work is of invigilator. You need not have to touch that. Okay, let's go for next. Before we start, we'll read the instructions given over there. 4 alternatives are given for each of the following questions. In completement statements, or choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer along with the options for question number 1 to 20. What you have to do here is, for each question, they have given one box as well as a space there. In the box, you have to put the right option as well as you should write the answer over there. Okay. Let's start by doing this. Mary is happy with her friends. The synonym of the underlined word is. Before you read, you should understand clearly what the question is about. Okay. So, here they are asking you to find out the synonym of the underlined word. Synonym is nothing but one word meaning. Okay. What would be the one word meaning of the word happy? Is it unhappy? Is it joy? Is it sorrow? Is it a sad? What is it? Except joy, rest three are opposite words of the word happy. So, in the blank, what you have to do is you should write option B, and then here you should write joy. Let us read question number 2. The cow is a useful animal. In this question, what you have to do is you should find out what part of speech is cow here. The underlined word in the above sentence is a or an. See, first one it is given adjective. You should understand the meaning of adjective first, then verb, and then noun, and then adverb. What would be the right option of this? Noun. Noun is nothing but name of the person, place, thing, or an animal. Bird it would be even. Okay, so cow is the name of an animal here, right? So option C is the right option. So you should write here noun. Okay, let's go for question number 3. Ramya and her sister dash going to Mysore tomorrow. Before you read the question, you should understand in what form the question is given. Okay, here what you have to do is write the appropriate verb to be filled in the blank, above blank. Okay, so Ramya and her sister. What you have to use here, what helping verb will come in this blank? Are going to Mysore tomorrow. So you should write like this. Let's go for 4. Okay, see here. Aisha dances with her friends. Dash. Can it be politely? Can it be melodiously? Can it be neatly? Or it would be gracefully? The answer is gracefully, because the other options are not matchable with that, right? So what you have to put here? Option D, gracefully. Okay. Let's go for question number. Check your question number 5 here. India dashed the ICIC World Cup in 1983. What you have to do here is write the appropriate form of the verb to be filled in the above blank. What you have to do? You should write your appropriate form of the verb. Before that, check whether the sentence is given in past, present, or future. Here you can find the sentence is given in past. So the appropriate option is C. What you have to write here? 1. Okay, now let us go for question 6. Study the following picture and choose the correct answer for the question number 6 and 7. Before you write answer for 6 and 7, you should look after the picture given here. Got it? See here. Here we can find children, right? They are playing. Where are they? They are in the field. They are passing ball to each other, right? You can find the answers over there. There are birds, everything you can find. How the weather is calm, everything. So now look at the question. Look at question number 6. Question number 6 is, the boys are in the dash. Are they in the science lab? Are they in the field? Or are they in the classroom or library? What can you find in the picture? They are in the field, right? What you have to do is, here you should write B and the answer field in the space provided. Let's see question 7 now. The boys in the picture are dash. What are they doing? They are passing the ball, isn't it? So the right option is D, passing the ball to one another. You know how to fill the box and the space, right? As usual we have done, the same way you have to do. Okay, now next we'll go for question number 7. Sorry, question number 8. Now read out the question given there. Birbal solved many problems in the court. He was a dash minister. Here you should write proper adjective. Okay, adjective is nothing but describing word. Okay, so here, how would you describe Birbal here? Would you describe him as a kind person, or wise, or weak, or foolish? Here it is given, Birbal solved many problems in the court. So the appropriate option for this is, he is a wise person. So option B is the right answer. So in this you should write B and then the answer wise. Okay, now question number 9. Rahim is best student in the class. He is also dash good dancer. So the answer is, Rahim is the best student in the class. He is also a good dancer. So the right option is option D. Here you should write option D. Okay. You must know, before you do this, you must know the usage of articles. Okay. Our next question is all about reading the passage and answering the question. Question number 10 and 11. Okay, check here. Dear visitors, welcome to the biological park. Due to COVID-19, the park will be open from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. only. Sunday will be a holiday. Wear your mask properly. Please follow the rules and maintain physical distance from others. So the first question here from the passage is question number 10. The biological park will be open from, check whether it is 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., 8 a.m. to 11 p.m., 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. In the passage, it is given 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. So option A is the right answer. Let us go for question 11. The visitors are requested to dash. What they have mentioned in that. Just check the passage again. See there they have said that they have given there, please follow the rules and maintain physical distance from others. So here the visitors are requested to, whether do they request to bring proper change or maintain physical distance, wear neat dress, bring paper bags. What do they tell? They told them to maintain physical distance. So option B is the right answer. Let us go for next page here. See, next in the next page there is question 12. Let us start. Please, could you listen dash me? What you have to do is, you should fill this blank with an appropriate preposition. Okay, preposition is nothing but the words which we use to show the position of an object. So what can we use here? Please, could you listen to me? So listen to me. To is the appropriate answer. Answer D. Then we'll go for question number 13. Tabassum dash Coco with her friends. What you have to do here? the appropriate verb form to be filled in the blank. Here be form of the verb along with the verb is given, right? You must know what is be form, right? So Tabassum, she is only one girl here, right? So can you use Tabassum are playing, or Tabassum am playing, or Tabassum is playing, or Tabassum were playing? Which is the right option? Just check out. So answer is option C. Option C is the right answer. Tabassum is playing Coco with her friends. Let us go for next question. To answer the next questions, here they have given one poem to read. Before that, you should read this poem and choose the correct answer. Okay, see here. I had a dove, and the sweet dove died, and I have thought it died of grieving. Oh, what could it grieve for? Its feet were tied with a single thread of my own hands weaving. The word died rhymes with the word dash. Rhyming word you have to write for the word died. Can it be had? Can it be thread? Can it be could? Or can it be tied? Same sound word. The word sound should end with the same sound. See, died, tied. Other words cannot rhyme with each other. Only tied can rhyme with each other. Option D is the right answer. Question number 15. The poet had tied the bird with a dash. In the poem itself, it is given. Oh, what it could be grief for, its feet were tied, right? So it was tied with a single thread of my own hands weaving. So the poet had tied the bird with a thread. Option C is the right answer. Let us go for next page. Here you have to turn this question into passive form. There they have given active form of the verb. In the active form, the subject will come first and the object will come last. In the passive voice, the object will come first and subject will come last. What you have to see here is check the sentence whether it is given in present or past, and it may be present form, it may be in past form. If it is given in past form, then the passive form will be in the past itself. Let us do it. Lena played the piano. Lena played the piano. The piano is played by Lena. The piano was being played by Lena. The piano was played by Lena. The piano is being played by Lena. Which is the right option? Option C is the right option because the active form was given in simple past form. So the passive form also should be in the same way. The piano was played by Lena. Okay, question number 17. Kishan was a rich merchant, but his friend was a dash man. What you have to do here is write an appropriate antonym of the underlined word. What do you mean by antonym? Antonym is nothing but an opposite word. Rich opposite word is what? That you have to find out. Whether it is poor, old, weak or young. It is obviously poor. Option A is the right answer. Now let's start with the next question. Question number 18. To do question number 18, you should read the passage given below and then you should choose the correct answer from the options given. Okay. See here. Before we do question 18, we will read the passage. Gandhiji was traveling from Durban to Maritzburg in South Africa. He had a first-class ticket. He sat in the train. After some time, a passenger came and asked him to go to the other compartment. Gandhiji showed his first-class ticket and refused to leave the compartment. After some time, two policemen came and forcefully pushed him out of the train. His baggage was thrown out too. Gandhiji felt very sad. Gandhiji refused to leave the compartment because why? He was an Indian. He had a first class ticket. He liked Africans. The compartment was comfortable for him. What is the right option? By reading the passage, you will get to know that the option B is right answer, isn't it? So you should tick down option B here. Okay. Next question is there in the next page. Let's go. This question is also related to the same passage. Gandhiji felt very sad because he lost his ticket, he was forcefully pushed out of the train, he was beaten by the police, he was disturbed while sleeping. You can understand by reading the passage that he was forcefully pushed out of the train. So option B is the right answer. This is done of the paragraph passage reading. Now we will go for question number 20. In question number 20, they have given you to fill the blank with the appropriate form of verb. Okay, let's start. Jubeda dash completed her assignment today. What would be the right option here? The sentence is given in present perfect tense, right? So the right option is here, Zubeda has. Option C is the right answer. Zubeda has. Let us stop here. Next questions I will share in the next video. For such more videos, do subscribe my channel and share with your friends who are in need of this. Thank you.